Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's video, I am going to feature two cards using similar products and colors, but in two different ways. So in this card, I'm featuring the stamp set Layered Thoughts. And we are going to start off with a basic white thick card base. And I am going to be making a thank you card, which is pretty much the majority of cards that I make. I make birthday and thank you the most. I don't know about you. Comment below what you make the most. I'd be interested to find out. So since I haven't used this stamp yet, I am just going to stamp off on a scrap piece of paper. It just happens to be whatever paper I have handy. It is my notebook. So I am inking up, stamping down, and I figured that the second stamp was the lighter and I liked it better. And funny thing, when you are stamping on the basic white thick cardstock, it has a tendency to be a little weepy, if you know what I mean. Like if you have a really juicy stamp set or stamp or ink, I should say, and it sort of leaches through. So I actually like a drier stamp pad for stamping on my card base. Anyway, so I used Secret Sea, which is my new black. It's not really, it's like a blue black. It's a great in color. I stamped that right on top of the thank. And then I'm using the 2025 to 2027 in color flat pearls in the strawberry slush variety. And that is my most simple card. I really liked it. I like simple cards like this big time. They're my favorite. I enjoy simplicity like this. I like all the white space. I know a lot of you don't. I know a lot of you like to do the clusters and stuff, and I can do that too. My preference though is like clean and simple. All right, so now we're going to zhuzh this card up. And remember, Monday Makes, my videos here are very simple. Wednesday is when you get a little bit more complicated, and even Fridays you can get fun folds. But on Mondays, you know, we're just starting the week out. Let's get our creative juices going. So I have here a piece of basic white regular stamping weight paper. I have strawberry slush, which we used before in the other card, but that's my card base. I inked up the U in this stamp set, and I am fussy cutting the U out. Now, you know, I like fussy cutting. I know a lot of you don't, but this is one of the elements that I'm going to be using on the card. So, and I will put dimensional adhesive on the back of that. I know it's crazy. It's such a tiny piece. So I am inking up the thank like we did in the other card, but I'm using Secret Sea instead. So I'm placing this down exactly the same place. And this, I find that this stamping weight paper, like just the regular card here, is lovely, and it doesn't sort of leach or anything. That's why I call it stamping weight paper. It's a little thinner than the basic white thick. So I really like it. So the flowers that I am stamping with are from a different stamp set. Let me tell you which one it is. They are the Blooming Phrases stamp set. And it just has, I know I like very little things, very little flowers, very little stamps, very little dies. So as you can see, I'm utilizing this stamp quite a bit with that same color, strawberry slush. And I start off with sort of clusters of 3, and I twist and turn my block so that I can get, you know, a good covering, and it makes it look a little bit more random. So now what I'm going to do is fill in the rest of that card with, and I'm not changing, I'm not like it's full on ink on this card. Nothing nothing too technical, but I will allow you to watch me do the whole thing, because sometimes people get mad at me when I cut things out. They're like, I didn't see you do that. How did you do that? So I don't want to upset the internet. So I'm just going to continue chatting to you. So I call this series Same But Different. And it's not going to be a series. It's just going to be in addition to my cards. I feel sometimes that I get an idea while I'm working on the first one, or I can't choose between what I want to create for you. So I might as well do two, especially if I have two really good ideas. So we're going to call it The Same But Different, and I hope that you enjoy a second card and hanging out with me. So I'm coming in with two different greens. I chose Lemon Lime Twist and Granny Apple Green for this little tiny leaf that also comes from the Blooming Phrases stamp set. So these are all a little addition. It's not, like I said, they're similar products, similar colors, but two different styles. I suppose, I don't know what, it's just a little different, that's all. So I'm just finishing up here, and I will adhere this piece. This is my focal piece, we're going to call it, and I'm going to put it on top of my card base, which is Strawberry Slush. I wanted to make mention here, you guys, I do have an in color club that I would love for you to join. If you're Canadian, and it is basically you buy the products and I give you an online class, and you get some gifts too. So if you are interested, you're Canadian and you want to join in, I'll put the link below. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section on YouTube, or in the supply section of my blog post. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really does help my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.